Have you ever had a rough morning and wish that you had more time to make a healthy breakfast? Well, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make steel-cut oats in the Instant Pot. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so together we can strengthen our families one meal at a time. Hey everybody, my name is Christine Chai and welcome to Zested Foods. In the comments below, let me know what is your favorite topping to put on oatmeal. Do you ever find your kids eating a lot of cold cereal for breakfast? I know I'm guilty of that. I love when my kids can have a hot breakfast before they go to school, but let's be honest, sometimes mornings can be a little crazy.
Get him!
The thing I love about making steel-cut oats in the Instant Pot is that I don't have to take the time to cook them on the stove. Steel-cut oats are the whole oat groat, not to be confused with Groot.
Oh, by the way, this is a friend of mine, Tree.
I am Groot!
I am Steve Rogers.
When they're referred to as groats, it just means it's the whole grain oat kernel without a husk. Sometimes these oat kernels with no husk are simply referred to as oat groats. Steel-cut oats are the oat groats cut into 2 to 3 smaller pieces with a steel blade. These are sometimes referred to as Irish oats. Because steel-cut oats are a whole grain, they're considered a complex carbohydrate. A complex carbohydrate is harder for your body to digest, therefore it takes longer and gives you more sustained energy. To the Instant Pot, add 2 cups of steel-cut oats. Add 6 cups of water, 2 cinnamon sticks, and stir everything together. Place the lid on your pot, make sure it's set in sealing mode, and then turn your high pressure on to 6 minutes and let it cook. If you like cooking in your Instant Pot, make sure you smash that like button. When your timer goes off, you're going to let your pot naturally release, which means you're not going to touch the steam release handle, and you're going to let it just do its thing to release the pressure until the float valve drops. Once the pressure valve has gone down, remove the lid and give everything a nice big stir. Some of my favorite toppings to add to oatmeal are fresh cut berries, nuts, sugar or honey, and a little bit of cinnamon. If you'd like some ideas for other toppings that you can add to your oatmeal, make sure you check out the link in the description below where you can print out a PDF for free. If you want some more recipes that you can feed your family for breakfast, make sure you check out this playlist right over here, and we will see you in the next video.